Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a folder where all captures are saved for Xbox Game Pass games or any other game that you use with Xbox Game Bar. And to do this, you'll need to click on the Start, go to the settings, here locate Gaming, find Captures. Now you can see the folder where all of the captures are saved. And now let's open it. What you need to do is go back to videos and find captures. Now click Ctrl X and move it wherever you want, and then the folder will automatically change. So in this case, let's place it maybe right here. And now when we open the folder, you can see that it changed, and here also it changes. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.